Hello guys, I go by the name Trade by UC. Thank you for the support for watching and leaving a like on my last video that I did about how to enter and exit. So today I'll be talking about market structure because I know a lot of persons who wants like get in the game this 2026, and for me who has been in the game for a very long time, even though at the early stage I was not that consistent. I did like an off and on thing, like I would trade for a while, stop, do something else, come back, but I still find myself in this path. So it took me a long time to understand what market structure really is, and I hope this video makes it a shortcut for you. So let's get on to the video. Now, I normally like plain charts, like just this white background, so I can illustrate before going to the main chart. So let's just do it with all of that. Now, what is market structure? Market structure is how will I start from now? Market structure. Publishing is called what was this? Market structure. I think this is C. Yeah. Hope this is correct or what you shall understand. I think it's correct. Market structure, but you shall understand. Market structure. Then we'll have. Sorry, let me just put it here. Just trying to break it down really fast. Then we'll get on to the next thing or the next topic. Okay. Market structure is basically how the trend is moving. So I think it's supposed to be market structure, then trend. Yes, I think that's supposed to be. Stay with me, or you will get a lot from this video that I'm trying to make right now. Just stay with me. Yes, market structure then trend, because market structure is basically trend. Yes, how price move, the structure that it makes, which from the structure you give trend, and we have three type of trend. We have the uptrend, we have the downtrend, and we have the consolidation. Yeah, so this is what market structure is, and for this video, let's do away with this one, because I don't trade consolidation market. Now, what is an uptrend? An uptrend is basically when price is giving you higher highs and higher lows. You get see this high. How will I use now to explain this thing for you? Let me bring out this arrow. Okay, the arrow is already actually here. Okay, you see this high now, it's higher than this one, and this one now is higher than the previous one. This one is higher than this one, just like that. So these are higher highs, and then the lows. You can see that this low, let me just make it like this. This low, then this one. So you can see this one is higher than this one. This low is higher than this one. Just like I said, high. This one is higher. High. This one is high. This one is higher. This one is higher. You get like it just it. Then for the downtrend, we have when price is giving you lower highs and lower lows, just like the opposite. Just the opposite. You get. this low. Oh, what have I done? You see this low now, price is making this low is lower than this one. Same thing, this low is lower than the previous low. Then sorry, this low, this is a low, this is a low, this is a low, this is a low, then this is the lower high. These highs are lower than the previous one. Just like I said, for uptrend we have higher highs and higher lows. The high will be higher than the previous low, while this one will be lower highs, just like a slope. Like this you see now, it's going down, this one is going up. You get? Okay, so I think that's clear. If you don't understand, we watch and you get it. So for the consolidation markets, I don't trade consolidation market, but let me just show you guys. Consolidation market is price just giving you highs and low, no higher high, no higher low, just highs and low, like equal, kind of like equal highs and lows. So that's just consolidation market. We check the market is not going anywhere. It's just here, you get, and the lows are equal. So this is it. So this is consolidation market. Now that we understand what consolidation market is, let me go ahead and take away this. There's a reason why I'm explaining this thing again, so that because there's something I want to draw attention to. Remember I said it took me a while to understand what market structure really is, and I know a lot of persons that want to like come in and learn. I believe this video will be like a shortcut for you, instead of going through those many videos and learning and making mistakes like I did in previous years, and it took me a while to understand it. So now a lot of persons will come to the chart and they'll see market, let's this for uptrend, and we'll see price giving you higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now this is an uptrend. Then when you see the market turn like this, you see the market have changed trend. Fine, that's quite true. Now there's something I want to draw your mind to now. Instead of marking your chart like that, catching little move and all of that, why not just zoom out? You get? And let me give you an example what I mean by zoom out. You know, if you go to the chart now, I'm actually zooming in now to see the whole candles stuff and all of that. So when you want to analyze, to like check out what the trend is doing, what the market structure is doing currently, or what the market is doing, what structure is it showing? Is it uptrend? Is it downtrend? You get? Instead of like going in like this, just zoom out. You get? I'll show you something now that will like catch your attention. Now, as you're seeing this thing now, you are seeing the market like this. You are seeing the market like this, and this is more like the bigger picture. You get me? This is more like the bigger picture. So this is more like the bigger picture than this. You are seeing the market like this. You get? Now, I've not seen the chart before. This is for today. This is the first time for a long time. The first time I'm opening this chart now. But let me just show you something now. You get? Instead of going in and seeing all this noise, you see now from here now. Okay, let's do this one. From here now, there's a move, pull back, drop, high, drop, pull back, drop. If you do this, you will still make money. Actually, don't get me wrong. But instead of doing all of this, just zoom out. Trust me, to help. This is a more better way to like mark your market structure and all of that. Now let me show you something here now. You see, for me now, the market pushed from this low to this high, gave me a new high, because the market has been doing lower low and lower highs all the way from this side. Then for me, the market gave me a new high, then gave me this low, then price pushed and made this new high. Now for me now, I know that the market made this new high because it closed above this high here. So anything from here, I'm buying and hoping to see price make a new high, because this is the current high. So I'm hoping for price like come, maybe give me an equal high. If it's not going higher, give me an equal high, maybe drop or go higher. So this is where I said the shortcuts will come in now. If you notice now, if you are zooming in, as price go to this place now, you feel price started a downtrend. You get, because price took out this low, that's fair. You get, but for you to not come back and see that price is still making higher highs and higher lows, you get, so you miss a lot of things in the market if you market your chart like this. Instead, zoom out. You get, zoom out and get the bigger picture. So that's the number one thing I want you guys to learn from it. When you are analyzing your charts, unless, okay, definitely there are other people that like scalp. If you are into scalping, all of that, that's good for you. But if you want to like do more of swing trade, I advise you you zoom out. You get, don't observe too much noise in the market. Try and fit out the routine and just get to know where the market is going to. So for this move now, I feel the market is come to this point, and this should be my take profits if I'm to enter this trade currently now. So if I'm to enter this trade, it should be something like this. The market has already moved. I will enter somewhere here, and my stop loss will be somewhere around here. But if you check, the market move from this point, so I'll be careful to like watch out for market not to take me out and still move. So the market came from here, because at some point this was my high and this was my low. So market broke this high and market pulled back. So in as much as I want to put my stop loss here, I'll still watching out for market to like, maybe market will come back, take out liquidity before moving again. So this move now is kind of like short. So it's either I stay out of the market, or I just like observe to know what market will do at this particular point, or maybe push my take profit a little bit further to like make the wish to reward make sense a little bit. But this is how I enter my trade, and this is how I mark up. I do my analysis and observe market structure as a whole. So again, what I said, when you're analyzing, zoom out. Don't zoom into like observe too many noise, all of that, so that you get a bigger picture, and observe the market. I said the market gave me a new high because it took out the previous high. So this is one thing you should note. The market will always be the market will be in an uptrend if price continue taking out the highs, like the new highs I had to make. So if the market come back now, like what's doing now, coming back here, and I know the market still continue the uptrend. So what I'll do, I'll wait for the price to like pull back, then maybe see if price will give me another new high or equal high for dropping again, or just continue just like that. So that's an uptrend for you. And for the downtrend, let me see if I get something here. For the downtrend, one more thing again, my mentor said we are observing charts. The uptrend or the downtrend that you're about to trade should come out from a no trade zone. A no trade zone is basically when you come to the chart, you want to see something like this. Markets give you high, let me say something like this, and market start doing something like this. A lot of person will, let me put this one here. A lot of person we trade this, all of this. A lot of person will trade all of this, but me, I wouldn't. Like, I will just come to the chart, price starts buying from this point and push to that point. Like, you can see the move inside. You can see the move inside now. Market move from this point to this point, and it got to this place and start price selling. So this is how I analyze my market. You get, instead of going into these whole details inside, I like to observe. So for me, this is a no trade zone for me now. You get, so now I either wait for market to give me a good push for further like this, and market turning inside. For me, this is not the market turning to a buy. The market see the downtrend. Remember, price to take out this high for me to know that the market has finally stopped selling and is about to buy. You understand? But for me, as long as the market goes in and come out, and that should be my entry, then by selling it downwards, or the market stopped at some point. What have I done? No. Market stopped at some point and give me a new high. So rather market move like this, market doesn't move straight like that. New high, then come out my entry, and enter buy back to the top. So this is what I just want to bring to your notice. If you don't understand this video that I just made, you can comment and tell me the area that you don't understand, and I will make another video to make sure you understand. I hope you find this video interesting and you learn anything or two from it. Remember, share to your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and like the video. What else? Leave a comment. Just tell me how you feel completely, and we're all going, can share our own ideas and see how profitable to make us. So see you guys in the next video. Peace and love.